Hey there, thanks for joining us today. If you're looking for a reliable and high-quality dashcam for your car, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the Suvcon 3-channel dashcam. This triple dashcam features a 170 wide-angle front camera, a 150 cabin camera, and a 150 waterproof rear camera, effectively reducing blind spots and capturing everything happening inside and outside of your vehicle. The IPS panel screen ensures clear and non-blurring images from any angle. But that's not all. This dashcam is equipped with a G sensor and parking monitor to activate emergency recording and lock footage in the event of a collision or sudden shake while your car is parked. Plus, the loop recording function and 32 GB South Dakota card ensure that you never miss crucial footage. The interior-facing camera is designed with 4 infrared LED lights for clearer night vision, and the superior WDR technology adjusts exposure for balanced and optimal footage in any lighting condition. Installation is a breeze with this plug-and-play dash cam, and the user-friendly key settings make it easy to operate. So if you want to protect yourself and have peace of mind while on the road, the Suvcon 3-channel dash cam is the way to go. You can find the link to purchase this amazing dash cam in the description below. Don't wait, upgrade your car's security today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great reviews and content. See you next time.